Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Inshallah, I'm going to be doing a Navratri look. Oh my god, this has been just a battle to sit down and film of lately. There's something or the other that comes up and just takes my time away or just makes me busy. So I hope you guys give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be using Huda Beauty's Rose Quartz palette. I unfortunately kept my wet makeup wipe on this and destroyed it pretty much, but that's just me. What's new? Huda is launching her holiday palette anytime now, and I am still reviewing the last year's palette, and I picked it up during the Nika's sale. This is how it looks like. It's a very gorgeous palette. I I haven't had a chance to dig at it, so let's do it together. And I have a lot to talk, and yeah, that's just who I am as a person. I love to talk. By the way, I'm using LA Girls Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. This matches perfectly with the dark circles that I have. I've concealed my eyes and I will leave that for a good minute or so and do my eyebrows meanwhile. For eyebrows, unfortunately, I'm not finding where my eyebrow products are. I've been trying to search for them. I had this pencil from Mars and I am going to be using that itself. Let's get on to the eyeshadow part of it. So I will be doing that first. So let me just swatch a couple of shades because I haven't even swatched anything from this palette. So let me just swatch it from the top to the bottom. From the top we have Quartz, Aura, Gratitude, then we have Cosmic Love, then we have Empower, and then we have Joy. The next row we have Precious, then we have Energized. We have this controversial jelly shade Love Stone, which is just like a gel. Then we have Cherished, then we have Blissful, and we have Happiness. Happiness is the last one, and the last row starts with this shade which is grayish brown, which is called as Mantra. The next is Serenity, the next is Abundance, then the next one is Moon Magic, which is this one, and the last one we have is Radiate. The last one we have is Self-Love, and I forgot to swatch Radiate. Alright, those were quick swatches of all the shades that we have in here. Before I break the palette, let me do the eye makeup. So it's a very beautiful pinky purpley gray tone, cool toned yet rosy toned palette. I love everything about this palette, and I'm so excited to do makeup looks based with this palette. Shade right here called as Precious. I am taking it on a flat brush, and just on the outer corners I will be placing that in. From the first looks of it, the eyeshadow palette is super pigmented. As you can see, there's a lot of payoff. There is very minimal fallout. So I have Precious on my eye. I've blended it out as much as I could. Shade Energize to blend it out. This is the shade Energize to blend out any harsh edges. To clean out, I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02. Okay, so I've cleaned out my eyes. It was a task, but yes, I did it. Yay. taking this shade Cherished over here, very light shade, will be acting like a perfect base. एक glittery shade लूँगी जो है ये वाला shade called as Cosmic Love. It is a shifting shade which will be perfect, and I am going to be placing it over here. ये वाला शेड एम्पावर्ड ले रही हूँ एंड जस्ट यहाँ पे just gonna add empowered just here. प्राइमर के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ कलर का परफेक्ट मैच प्राइमर. For foundation, I'm using Mars Blossom Foundation. I'm in the shade 0 Buff, so I'll be using that. फाउंडेशन को मैंने अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लिया है. अभी मैं कंसीलर यूज़ करूँगी सेम एले गर्ल का प्रो कंसील इन द शेड प्योर बेज. To lighten, I'm using Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer in the shade 02 again. I'm using Huda Beauty's Tantor in the shade Fair. So this is how it looks like, and you have to twist it. My hands are so dirty. This is such a beautiful packaging that I'm destroying. It says tan and tone. How the inner packaging looks like, absolutely gorgeous looking again. And I haven't tried this particular product, so this will be my first time and first swatch. It looks like this, pretty good match for me. I like this shade because I can build it up, and it will be really good for everyday kind of a use as well. Some of it up on the brush as well, and then I am just packing it here. Wow, that looks stunning, right? I mean, gorgeous.
Come to the garden, darling, I will wait for you. Here
Blush, I am going to be using Ilana's Beat Tint. So this is also my first time, and this is how it looks like. Should we go directly or should we go at the back of our hand? Let's go back of the hand on one side. Wow, this is gorgeous. It looks so natural. Flush. Let's just try that. I love it. I really love it. See, it's looking really beautiful. 10 on 10 on this. And इसको थोड़ा set कर लूँगी before I start to crease really bad. तो that's what I will do. Again, sugar का powder है, बस lightly मैं इसको set कर लूँगी. जहाँ जहाँ पे भी मुझे चाहिए, बहुत हल्के आते हैं. आई डोंट लाइक टू गो ham with powders, just like it's subtle, so that's how I will let it be. Set the blush, I will be using this particular shade from Wet n Wild. It's called as the pearlescent pink, and I will go on top of the blush which we already have. Wet n Wild has some awesome blushes as well. Are toned down karenge by just dabbing it using Sugar's mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. Again, it's a very subtle one, so I think it will go perfectly on top of my cream bronzer. For the lower lash line, I am simply going to be taking Aura and Gratitude and just connecting this line over here with that. This eyeshadow palette is so good, so good, worth all the hype. It's nothing like the mint palette. The mint palette is the actual reason why I didn't pick up any of the bigger palettes of Huda. I thought the formula would be the same as the mint palette, and honestly the mint palette's formula is not that great. And I totally forgot to apply highlighter, तो मैं मार्स का highlighter यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इसके साथ ही लिपस्टिक उतनी मैच नहीं कर रही है, तो इसलिए मैं ये जस्ट हर्ब्स का पैक में एक शेड है विच इज़ मलबरी मॉव, वो यूज़ करूँगी. I think this is going much better in terms of the color itself. Let me just spritz my face. This particular magnetized from Faces Canada for my lashes, and it's a very good product. You can definitely try it. I don't like wearing fake eyelashes. My inner corners are looking so bare, so I will be taking this shade over here and I'll be just placing it in the inner corner part of it. सो मेरा मेकअप तो हो गया है, अभी मैं आउटफिट पहन के जल्दी से आती हूँ.